Good day, everybody. These guys sent me this stainless steel drinking water faucet for unboxing and review. Let's check it out. Ooh, that thing is nice. All right, I'm gonna go get all the parts I need to fix this up, to get this installed. Quick disconnect there. Got the installation instruction manual here too. Installation guide for brushed stainless steel drinking water faucet. It tells you all the parts in there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and install this right there. So what I've done, actually, I'm gonna put this inline main faucet, this under sink main faucet filter in. So I got this piece here, and then I've got a water line as well. So the plan is to drill a hole down through here, come down through there, come on under here, and bring it on down and tie into the cold water right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and turn this off for right now. All right, what I'm gonna do now is find a drill bit that's the same size as this. So I got my drill bits here. I'm gonna start with the smaller bit, to make a pilot hole, but I just kind of want to get the bit that's gonna fit that. So I think I need, just to line it up there, I think I need one just a little bit bigger than that. Just kind of lining up the right bit here. See, it's still a little, I think I'll run this through there, but I can go one size bigger with the bits that I have. This is a 3/8 inch drill bit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make a dot right where I wanna put this thing. So I wanna go right, I'm gonna go get my square so I can get it right there. Okay, I just went 3 and 3 here. So I went 3 inches this way and 3 inches that way. Seemed to make the most sense. At least it kind of squares up with that corner. And it looks good too. I think it's gonna line up well with that other one. Starting off with the smaller bit, like I said, just for the pilot hole. Now we get a little bit bigger one. So I went ahead and finished that off with the 1/2 inch drill bit because the 3/8 is just the exact size. So this just a little bit bigger is okay. This thing will seal up on there and vacuum all those chips up. Okay, got my 1/2 inch drill hole drilled. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this off. And I'm gonna take both of these, take that off of there. Now these pieces are gonna come off too. And that'll go on from underneath. That's how we'll secure it to the sink. And this thing's just gonna go right in here like that. Okay, so for securing this underneath, I'm gonna go ahead and use a 14mm. You can use a crescent wrench too. Okay, here's the look from underneath the sink. There's our piece right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that washers and nuts on. All right, got it all firmed up there. I just checked up top too to make sure that it's still in the position that I wanted. I'm gonna crank this down all the way, nice and tight. This. It's nice the guy before me didn't crank this down with all his might. So it's actually pretty easy to come off of there. It's got that gasket in there. That gasket's still looking good. Set that aside. Go ahead and install the T on here. We've got the Shark Bite brand Add a T. I'm gonna go ahead and connect this to the bottom of that and then tie in to that T right there, that Shark Bite T. Go ahead and connect that to here. Okay, now what I'm doing is just cranking everything down, just snugging it up real good. That one cranked down. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, give it a test. Oh, look at that. I love the look of that thing. Got some good pressure coming out of there too. Oh, that's nice. be hooking up a water filter to this here shortly.